So you've got this awesome snap that you want to monetize on Snapchat Spotlight. Exciting, right? But before you take the plunge, let's navigate through the details to enhance your chance of monetizing your Snapchat Spotlight. Okay, so first things first, make sure your Snapchat account is at least 1 month old and your profile is set to public. Additionally, aim for a strong following of 1,000 followers, so prioritize building up your crew before tackling anything else. Now, here's the lowdown to be Spotlight eligible. Aim for a minimum of 1,000 views in the current month. Just keep the content flowing by posting at least 10 snaps on 10 different days, and add a little spice, use Snapchat creative tools in at least 5 of your posts. Also, your content has to be original, something that screams you, as Snapchat loves a good dose of creativity. Next thing is you need to make sure that you live in a country that Spotlight supports and share snaps specifically from that place. This will ensure that your content aligns with the Spotlight eligibility criteria and increase your chance of success on the platform. Next is follow the rules. Make sure you're in line with Snapchat guidelines covering community, content, Spotlight, terms of service, music, you name it. Here's a little tip. Once a snap makes it to the Spotlight, deleting it means no cash, so choose wisely. Then lastly, you must complete the required steps to set up your payment account. Now for more accurate and detailed information, you can check Snapchat customer service. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and you're on your way to Spotlight success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.